We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you. Hey, suppose you didn't try my phone, yeah? Guys, hello. Okay, pause. I'm at work. Pause. Give me the number.
484 9685.
484 9685?
Yeah.
I spent 2,500. To you. Here. You're welcome. Okay, I'm back. Remember somebody at work, so we have to take intermissions. You understand me? Okay, so anyways, I got my first Christmas present, and I have it. What is it? I mean,
making your video, please.
what is it?
Continue making your video.
Okay. I think I trouble a boy, I trouble me, you know. Anyways, I got my first Christmas gift. I have it here. Okay. I love free things. I love get things. Guys, let me tell you something. I'm making this clip as like my day one Vlogmas. Don't come at me because I know that today is the 3rd of December. I'm gonna post nothing from December start. I'm gonna post nothing all long now. But be lenient with the girl. Anyways, this gift is not from one person per se. It is from the company that I ship with. Okay, in the spirit of the holiday, in the spirit of giving, them giving away things. I'm not mind me here, I'm not comb it because you remember when I keep come and work me. I'm just like, why should I comb it? But yeah, them send out a riddle, them do it every Wednesday. So the first 3 person them will answer, get it. And like you like how I win one already, like me not out of the runnings. Like tomorrow a Wednesday, because today is Tuesday, right? Yeah. So tomorrow when them send it, like if I win again, I can get a next gift again. And different from that, them do a raffle where it's like a once a week thing where you get like something bigger and better than this. So I don't want them to really want to win. But anyways, I just go up there and I didn't even open it. Like I'm not gonna tell you like the top crack a little bit, so I did take a little peep. But I never really look into it, so don't come look at it with it. I'm gonna close my eyes, guys. Ooh, what is this? Oh, some skirt Sauvignon. Look here. On the nose, that normally when they give them something, them normally give like the intermission. Yeah, send it again. Keep interrupting me.
I'm not working it.
Back it up, bro.
484 96 85.
484 9685. Here. Yeah, man. Okay. I'm back again. Back to the excitement. Oh, don't know, say normally when time them give them things, yeah? Normally them just give like a sparkling wine because they're cheaper. But them literally give me like a legit white wine. This is like legit wine, not a play wine. Jesus Christ. Oh, something else in there. Me and the wine, yeah. Look at them. I now pull it till Christmas, I put it down. Because I see one woman on TikTok I say, I see it. I can't buy one FYP. She said last year Christmas she went to breastfeed and she put a drink. So she said this Christmas, no. So even though I'm not drinky, like hard liquor, I love wine. I read it. I love it. Like I go turn the whole back of my head, but I like wine. So yes, this Christmas I can't believe I'm not opening coming out. My brother them drink it. Them love hard liquor, you know. But it's true, them love alcohol. Them don't really matter if you want other stuff. So I don't know if I pull it down. So I'm not opening it right now. My God, I'm so grateful for this. Them take my picture with it. Not because I'm giving it for free. I'm going to post my photo on Instagram. But yes, this is what they gave me. And tomorrow again, me sit down by my phone and watch for when the regular come out. I have to win something. I not have. it for my elf. Ooh. And then put a little bush, what that? Red, forget Welch's. And I got a little key ring that says KJC. I saw the company name. KJC, blah blah blah. KJ Couriers. What should I do? This thing, if you put the key and drop off, but I'm not customer. We don't try, I'm not. See, I drop off, but I'm not customer. So yes, this video is really just like, it's just like my introduction to Vlogmas, because even though like it's hard with work, I'm feeling really tired, but I'm gonna put in the effort for do this Vlogmas thing. Like I've been a think about it, but I'm just never sure if I want to start it and then not be fully committed to it. But I did it on live this man. If I never see it, go and go watch him. And Laura said to me, say, April, do the thing. Just she said a phrase I really like. She said, stop with the analysis paralysis. Love that. So I'm done with that. I'm just do it. So I do it and it's done. So this is my intro. This is my intro. Stay tuned because I have a lot to do this Christmas. What if things? What if a little improvements, like home wise and a lot of things. So just stay tuned for it. This is my first day of Vlogmas. Everybody, even though it's the 3rd of December, I'm already in the Christmas spirit. Follow la 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 la. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Okay, later.